Troy the train.
Troy the train.
It's a great day for a ride, isn't it, Troy? Oh dear, Troy, the road is too dangerous for cars to drive on. It looks like Steve and Billy can't finish the road because they're out of cement. Can either of you make more cement? You're right, Troy. We need to head to Car City and get a vehicle that can help. Don't worry, Billy and Steve. We'll be back soon. Okay, Troy, let's go build a new friend who can make cement. Look at these containers, Troy. They hold the pieces to build a new vehicle. Which vehicle can make cement? A race car? A tow truck? A cement mixer? Good idea. A cement mixer is perfect. It's on its way now, Troy. Let's get back to the road and fill in those cracks. All right, Troy, let's put it all together. We need to unload the pieces first. Wow, it's nearly done now. Hello, concrete mixer. We're happy to meet you. What's your name? Christopher? Welcome to Car City, Christopher. Troy, Christopher uses his mixer to make cement. Christopher, we need your help. We're out of cement, and we need more to complete a road. Can you make us more cement? All right, Christopher. Can you work with Steve and Billy to finish the road? Wow, that's amazing. Now Steve just needs to smooth out the concrete. Well done, everyone. The road looks great. Thanks for your help, Christopher. We'll see you soon. Bye, friends. See you next time.